Hello, pet lovers. Today, we're excited to introduce the ROODO Escort 3-wheel dog stroller, a fantastic travel system for your small to medium-sized dogs and cats. This lightweight, foldable, and portable pet gear is designed for convenience and ease, making it perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. With a maximum weight recommendation of 30 pounds, this stroller features an upgraded design with quick-release front and rear wheels that can be installed or removed without any tools, ensuring a hassle-free setup. When expanded, it measures 33 by 18.5 by 38 inches, while its compact folded size of 18.5 by 6 by 33 inches makes storage a breeze. Weighing in at just 10.8 pounds, the ROODO Escort is crafted from durable polyester fiber, ensuring both comfort and longevity for your furry friends. Plus, it comes equipped with a handy cup holder, adding a touch of convenience to your strolls. Whether you're jogging through the park or navigating busy streets, this pet stroller is your perfect companion for every adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.